Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to add frames in Canva. Adding frames in Canva is very simple and you will be done in just 1 minute. Just go to the left page of yours and tap on elements. While scrolling you might be able to find frames, or if you are not able to find it, just tap for frames. And there will be different types of frames that is offered by Canva. There is this heart shape, rectangular and whatnot. Just go for any shapes that has requirements for your post. Here I'm going to use a very simple shape which is a frame. I'm just going to add to the edge and adjust to it. Move my subtitle. Now how you are going to use this frame? Just tap on the frame, go to uploads, tap on the photo. Either you can drag it to the frame or you can just tap on the photo so it will be on your Canva post, and then just drag it to the frame. Now if you want to drag the image to a proper section, then go to this three dots option here. You can go for align to page, you can go for center, or you can just drag it to the edges like this. You can also go for transparency, which will also make your designs more attractive. Either you can decrease it or increase it. That's how you easily can use the frames that is offered by Canva. Now if you want to delete the image from the frame, you can just tap on the frame and go for delete. Then you will be offered two options, delete image or delete frame. We are trying to delete the image, so we will tap on delete image. Now the frame is free from the image. You can go to uploads and you can choose any of one of your images to set up in the frame. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. We will see you in the next video.